Hello everyone. Advocate Malisela Teffo allegedly tried to bribe the Senzo Meyiwa family with cash just on the eve of the former Bafana Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper's murder trial resumes at the Pretoria High Court this week. The trial of the 5 men accused of killing Meyiwa is expected to resume on Tuesday, where new witnesses Mthokozi Sithwala, one of the slain soccer star's friends, is expected to testify. Advocate Teffo used to represent 3 of the accused until he withdrew from the case and subsequently struck off the role of advocates after the Legal Practice Council received a lot of complaints about his conduct. According to Sunday Independent, Advocate Teffo allegedly approached the Meyiwa family early this month and had planned to visit them at Umlazi Township in KwaZulu-Natal just to give them 50,000 rands cash from a mysterious donor. The family suspected that something was fishy about the cash and Teffo's visit, and they told the AfriForum that is representing the family. Advocate Garinal sent Teffo a letter informing him that AfriForum was made aware that he was planning to visit the family on 6 April 2023. The letter stated, "We are instructed to inform you that our client will not meet you or accept any money. Our instructions are that you have indicated that 2 family members of the accused will accompany you, and you have also promised a cash payment intended for our clients. More concerning, our instructions are that you have disingenuously conveyed the expectations that following your visit to our clients, the prosecutor Baloyi will also visit them. You are invited to respond to us and explain the context of your intended engagement with our clients." The AfriForum spokesperson told the publication that Teffo never responded to the letter. Teffo allegedly deposited 40,000 rands into the bank account of Senzo Meyiwa, who is the brother of the late footballer. The source said Teffo has been trying to bribe the Meyiwa on behalf of someone, and we suspect that the money might be coming from the mastermind behind Senzo's killing. The source added that Teffo's real role in the Meyiwa case needed to be investigated. He seems to be representing ulterior motives instead of helping the family find closure and justice in this case. The AfriForum spokesperson also confirmed that AfriForum was made aware that Teffo went behind their back and deposited the money into the bank account of one of the Meyiwa family members. Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed at his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo's mother's house in Vosloorus in October 2014. In the house when Senzo Meyiwa was killed, there was Kelly and her younger sister Zandile, their mother Ntombi Khumalo, Longwe Twala, who is the son of the musician and producer Chico Twala, and the 2 of the soccer star's friends, Mthokozi Sithwala and Tumelo Madlala, as well as Kelly's then 4-year-old son Christian and Tingo, her daughter with Senzo Meyiwa. 5 men, Musika Ukhulelwa Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthobisi Ncube, Mthokoziseni Maphisa, and Fisokuhle Ntule were arrested and charged with Meyiwa's murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, possession of an unlicensed firearm, as well as possession of ammunition. Do you think these allegations are true, or they are just trying to tarnish Advocate Teffo's reputation? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.